This is a ICP. Yeah, there's no tag on it. It's ICP. It's a LP pack. This is at a church that we got a contract with, fixing a bunch of mowers. Scroll compressor. That is a Copeland, I think. I don't think that's a Copeland. Yeah, that's thunder you hear. Yeah, that's not a Copeland. I don't know what kind of compressor that is. It's a scroll. Really quick. It's a 05, 43rd week 05. It's a 5-ton, 140,000 input, 112 output. Big unit, and I'm going to quit now because it is fixing to pour rain. This is out in the middle of nowhere. Okay, I'm going to quit now. Alright, I apologize for this being up and down, but here is a ICP, the ICP heat pump, 3.5 ton from 2003, probably a Tempstar Heil. It's not tagged or anything, but I was going to call it ICP unit, identical to my old unit. This is what my old unit used to look like, except mine was a 12-seater. I don't know if this one's 10 or 12. I have to look at model, but this is a huge house. Let me get into landscape mode now. I actually take a picture of the house. But this is a very large house. It's about like over 2,500 square feet. It's 2-story. And this is a 3.5 ton unit on a very large house, similar to that house over there. Anyways, over there.